you need to be where the people are. Basically, you need to be where your players and your fan base is. That's just it. So of course, yes, we're looking. We're on Twitch, and we are looking into those platforms because this is where people hang out now. So this is also an interesting topic when you think about, okay, influencers and streamers, now they're just becoming the media basically. So for us here at PR, we work very closely with community that basically handles influencers. But the line is just so blurry because influencers, they're part of our community, and obviously you want to get them on board and you want to build on that community. But they're obviously, as you mentioned, in the past 3 years, they're becoming more and more, just bigger and bigger in the picture, of this industry. And in terms of like, okay, I have a message that I want to send out there, to the media, that obviously includes influencers now. And so, yeah, those platforms are huge, and they're just
So,
a huge part of the
yeah,
strategy.